Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have access, account permissions, and any project codes. Open the updated feedback app and sign in. Make sure two-factor authentication completes. Once logged in, choose the project and the correct feedback type so routing will be automatic. Add tags and priority to help reviewers triage quickly. Attach a screenshot or a short recording right away because visual context speeds resolution. This gets the process moving immediately and prevents back and forth later. Now focus on writing actionable content. Tell reviewers what you expected and what actually happened because that contrast reveals the bug type. Once done, list reproducible steps as numbered items so engineers can follow them exactly. Add environment details like OS, browser, app version, and any error messages or console logs to narrow causes. Make sure to set severity and attach timing or user ID when relevant. This prioritizes work and prevents misdiagnosis during triage. Finish by reviewing your summary and assignee. If unsure, let the app auto-assign to the right team. Submit the feedback and then monitor status updates in the dashboard because active tracking reduces delays. If reviewers ask for clarification, reply with specific steps or add files rather than vague statements. If progress stalls, escalate by reassigning or adding priority plus recent logs and timestamps. This troubleshooting tip helps break deadlocks and gets the team to reevaluate the issue promptly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.